Cheers to good health. Let's make a smoothie. The ingredients are super simple. You need 1 parsnip, an apple, a long cucumber, a lemon, and a tomato. First up, peel that parsnip. This may look just like a dirty white carrot, but, although related, parsnips have a more spiced flavor and are richer in vitamin C. They are also loaded with fiber, which means, unsurprisingly, parsnips can help you have some digestive regularity, if you know what I mean. Combined with those antioxidants, that fiber and healthy gut can help you with your weight loss goals. They even are rumored to help boost your mood and overall immunity. Talk about a hard-working veggie. Chop them up into small bites like this, so that they will blend up easily in our smoothie. If you're in the mood for meal prep, this is also a great bite size for roasting, alongside other root vegetables. I love this vegetable both raw and crunchy, and roasted and sweetly soft. Once it's all chopped up, toss the pieces into the blender. Next up, a cucumber. These are my go-to for all kinds of recipes, because they are not only delicious, but also super hydrating, detoxifying, and they help promote good skin. I'm using a grater this time, to get it into nice shreds. You can see all those tasty juices coming out. Yum! Once we've got all that goodness off, into the blender it goes. Now for an apple. This is our main sweet component in today's smoothie, and it will balance out all of the savory vegetables. I peeled mine first to avoid chunks of peel in my final drink. Apples are a tasty snack full of nutrients, like vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which can lead to excellent digestion, sharp thinking, and weight control. Chop up your apple into pieces like this for a nice smooth blend. Then throw them in with the others. Alright y'all, it's tomato time. This was a new one for me. I love tomatoes, but I never imagined them in a smoothie. Again, I started by taking off the peels. Adding tomatoes to this smoothie will add a rich but mild tanginess to the drink. And the nutrients in tomatoes will also, you guessed it, aid with digestion, especially helpful for constipation. They also can help with immune health and are good for your heart. Now let's add some more acid. Lemon. For this one, we just need the juice, for another boost of vitamin C. Squeeze it out right into the blender. Now for the final ingredient, milk. I used regular milk, but a plant-based substitute would work too. You want something that will add a punch of protein while also getting enough liquid in there for the blender to do its job. Time to blend. Let it churn for at least a minute until it is all a consistent texture and you don't see any big pieces. Now for a fun bonus serving idea. I used a funnel to fill up this cute vial so that I could easily share with my husband. This gives the perfect little shot of healthy energy. Now, all that's left is to enjoy. Cheers! I hope you give this recipe a try too. And I hope you like it as much as we did.